Hey, it's M Travels, and next week it's my birthday and I'm going to be turning 25 and I'm having a little party with my family to celebrate. For my birthday party, I've decided on an American Prom theme. I just think it's really cool. I love American proms when you see them in the movies or on TV shows. I just think they look so fun, way better than the UK proms. So that is the theme we're going for, and I'm going to do a little unboxing of the things that I've bought so far. Let's see what we've got. This arrived today. First, we have the balloons that I've ordered. So you can see that some that are like see-through and they've got little sequins in them. Then there's purple, dark purple, and there's some like white and silver ones in there. I got these balloons so that we can make a balloon arch for my party. So I'll be doing a video on how we make the balloon arch. It's going to be really cool. So we've got the purple tablecloth for inside to put all the food and sweets on and things like that. Then we have another one here. What's in this? I always forget what I bought. Okay. Oh, okay, these are really cool. So I didn't know these were going to arrive today. So basically, because it's a prom theme, obviously you have to have the prom queen and prom king. On the night when everyone gets there, I'm going to make a little ballot box and everybody's going to have to tick who they want to be the prom king and prom queen. So that's going to be like a really fun little thing. And then as you can see, we've got these sashes. So prom queen, I love the sashes, they're so cool. And then the prom king one. So if anybody's interested in any of this, I'll put the link below for where I've got all the bits from. Also, obviously, we don't do it in the UK, but in America, when you have prom, the girls always get the corsages, which is like the little flower bracelets. I thought I would get some little flowers and some little bracelets and kind of make my own. So this is one that I have made already, just here. So this is my one. And you just kind of wear it like this to go with your dress. And this is what the flowers look like when they came. So I've just bought little bracelets like this, 4 different sizes. It came in like a big pack in Primark for £1. And then I'll just kind of like wrap around the flowers on each bracelet, just like my one like this. I've just gone to go and get the tiara from upstairs that I bought for the prom queen. I got it from Shein. I think I got like 20% off as well. It was meant to be like £6, so it was really, really good. Got loads of good reviews. So obviously this is just to wear for whoever might get crowned prom queen. Just a little bit of fun. It was only cheap and it actually looked really good. So I'll put the link below for this. That is everything that came so far and everything that I've got. I've also ordered like a tinsel silver backdrop, and I also got some balloon arch tape. So it's got little holes in so you can do the balloon arch. So yeah, we're definitely doing a video on how to do the balloon arch and how we get on with it. I think everything else is probably going to come tomorrow, and I'll probably get some more bits in the week before my party. But yes, thanks for watching this video. Definitely watch out for the party video, it's going to be really cool. Thanks for watching, bye!